Realme launched two new smartphones under V series in China called Realme V60 and Realme V60s. Both of these devices looks identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Realme V60s is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme V60s smartphone. The Realme V60s features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme V60s sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 32-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme V60s has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 5th, in star gold and turquoise green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme V60s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.